The calendar view in Mylio is a great way to find photos based on when those photos were taken. The life calendar is a glance of your life in a calendar view. You can scroll through and see important events and dates of your entire life. Here you will notice that the photos we corrected earlier are showing in 1991. Other photos still have the incorrect date, and some photos that we label as being undated are being grouped together. Here I can select a group of photos and quickly correct the date. I'm going to right mouse click and select Change Date. And I'll set all these photos to the correct date of 1999, January 2nd. Set. Now that those photos have been corrected, when I step back in the calendar view, those photos appear in the correct year. We can step into that year, that month, and the particular day to find those photos. By correcting the date in all of your photos, you can create an amazing life calendar where you can, at a glance, see the photos from your entire life.